Welcome to this tutorial on how to see volume in Robinhood. Understanding volume is essential for any trader, as it shows the number of shares being traded in a specific period. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your Robinhood app on your mobile device or log into the website on your computer. Once you are in, navigate to the stock you are interested in. You can do this by either searching for the name of the company or entering the ticker symbol in the search bar. Once you have found the stock, click on it to open its details page. On the stock's detail page, scroll down until you see the information section. Here, you will find various metrics related to the stock, including its current price, market cap, and importantly, the volume data. The volume will be displayed as the number of shares traded during the most recent trading session. Make sure to take note of this figure, as it can help you gauge investor interest and activity in that stock. If you want historical volume data, you can switch to the chart view by tapping on the chart icon. This will give you a visual representation of the stock's performance over time. You can customize the time frame to see volume patterns over the last few days, weeks, or even months. Remember, analyzing volume alongside price changes can provide deeper insights into market trends. That's it for this tutorial on how to see volume in Robinhood. Happy trading!